guys, I am super excited to try this look that I would have never tried to try if it weren't for you guys. So I am going to use my Ocean Eye Sense. It is a beautiful blue sparkly eyeliner. Isn't that gorgeous, that eyeliner? So I'm going to put that in my eyebrows. Last week I had black eye sense in my eyebrows, and it actually was super easy to use in my eyebrows. So that is how I decided to do the blue this week. So I'm going a little bit outside just to make it a little more bold. This is going to be so fun, guys. I really hope I don't mess it up because I really am super excited about the idea. Easy part done. So I'm going to start with some turquoise in the corners, transition to seafoam shimmer, and with snow. I want it to be super dramatic and bold, so we'll see how this goes. I'm gonna start with turquoise. And I just kind of get it in the right area. I don't make sure it looks smoothed out or anything like that. I just want it in the right area. Next is seafoam shimmer. I'm just gonna kind of blend that out. Ooh, that is gorgeous. I have my snow that I'm going to put in the corners of my eye, and I'm putting it on pretty thick because I want it to be very bold. And just pulling that in to try to smooth it out. I will finish with my Ocean Eye Sense. I'm gonna finish with a fun little cat eye. So along my lower lash line. I'm gonna do my lips. You could do Blue Jay, you could do Skyline, Midnight Muse, any of those could look really nice. I'm going to line my lips with this darker color, and then I'll do a quick ombre with Fire Opal in the middle. I'm gonna use Skyline. I feel like that's a little bit more turquoise, so I'm gonna hope that matches my eyeshadow a little better. And just use the applicator wand, the very tip of it, to line my lips. When you're lining, you do have to dip back quite a few times, so I recommend putting it on a piece of tape. Also, talking when lining is not a good idea. my second layer, I'm gonna mix some Fire Opal in so that it is a teeny bit less bold on the next layer in. To get that pure Fire Opal color, I'm going to use a clean applicator wand for my inside because I don't want any traces of blue. So pretty. I'm super excited about this, guys. I am going to top it off with some Blue Orchid gloss. I think that's gonna make it gorgeous. Isn't this just perfect? Ah. There we go. I've already got my mascara on, but what I want to do is I want to get into my turquoise and put that on the ends of my lashes. So I just simply dip a fresh applicator mascara brush into my shadow sense. It fits in there perfectly, and just put that on the ends of my lashes. So far, of all the mistakes I could have done wrong, it's looking good. Got it. Now it's time for the hard part, guys. So she's got this beautiful netting on her face, right? Well, I don't have nets. It would be really, really easy to get like a fishnet pantyhose, put that over your face and sponge applicate that way, okay? I did not plan ahead, so I have tape. So I'm gonna look super stupid, but people are gonna be so jealous. Smile though, it makes my tape crinkle. There we go. Tape face complete. Next step, sponging color. I have, again, my turquoise and seafoam shimmer. I have turquoise and seafoam shimmer on this lotion lid of mine. And I'm just getting my sponge here with the turquoise. And I'm going to dab that around my hairline, okay? And with the netting, I'm being very careful not to rub it on, just dab, because I don't want the tape to shift at all. That would totally ruin the netting look. Now for the seafoam shimmer. It's gonna be so pretty. I've got my little mixture. I'm just gonna use the center of the sponge. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm super nervous to take off the tape. I'm developing new talents that I would have never done had you guys not voted on this option. Not learning, you're not growing, right? I think it's time to take off the tape. But I'm nervous. What if it doesn't look good? All right, that doesn't look bad so far, considering I couldn't see anything that was going on down there. You know what's a pro about using tape instead of fishnet? Your tape's not gonna move partway through. So see, you guys might all want to copy me even if you have fishnets. Oh my gosh! So cool. Wow! Man, that is cool. I like how it kind of fades out right there too. Oh my heck, this is so sweet. Do you think you could do it too? Because I think that was much easier than it could have been. I mean, how cool is that? This is freaking awesome. See ya. Bye.